how to withdraw small amounts from Bybit. Now, first of all, open your Bybit app, make sure to log into your account. And now to be able to withdraw small amounts, so for example, if you have 1000 USDT on your account and you want to withdraw a small amount, I will show you how to do that. Now, by tapping on assets and tap on withdraw. Now, as you can see here, you need to select your token that you want to withdraw. As you can see, for example, USDT. Now search for USDT and select your USDT from here, as you can see. So after you type or after you select it, here you need the address that you can get it from the account that you want to receive that USDT from your Bybit. And here select the network, as you can see, by selecting, for example, the ERC20. Now to be able to withdraw a small amount from your Bybit, it's by going to amount, as you can see. So for example, as I said before, if you have 1000 USDT and you want to withdraw a small amount, you can just type 50 like that, or if you want to withdraw 100, it's by not surpassing that amount that you have on your account. It's by going lower. As you can see, 100, it's a small amount comparing to 1000 USDT. So this is how to withdraw small amounts from Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.